Quick note, this is an AI-assisted recap made for learning, not the original video, and not an official translation. This talk comes from Guiyu, a former ByteDance engineer who retired at 28 and now runs more than 15 live products almost entirely by himself, with AI. Doing all of that alone sounds impossible, yet he insists the secret isn't working harder. It's rethinking what a company even is once AI can do the work. Most people treat AI as a tool they personally direct, staying the coordinator who assigns every single task. Guiyu flips that idea completely on its head. In his one-person company, the AI becomes the coordinator, almost like a CEO, deciding how work gets broken down and handed out. The human simply steps back. So the question he asks is blunt: in your workflow, are you still the coordinator, or is the AI? That single shift changes everything downstream. To use AI at this scale, he says you must change your mindset and start thinking like the boss of an enormous corporation, not a lone worker. The guiding question becomes simple but powerful. If you suddenly had 10,000 AI employees waiting for orders, how exactly would you organize and manage them all? Most of us have never led at that size, so we badly underuse AI. Learning to delegate like an executive turns out to be the first real skill. His core method has a memorable name: harness engineering, or the theory of the reins. Instead of chatting with AI, you build controls that steer it. Think of a rider guiding a powerful horse. The reins let you direct enormous strength precisely, without describing every single movement in a long conversation each time. By his own estimate, steering AI through these built-in reins is roughly 100 times more efficient than typing prompts back and forth inside a chat box. The reins are made of writing. He gives his AI staff shared memory and skill documents, written knowledge that every agent can read, reuse, and steadily improve. Because the lessons live in documents, the whole system gets smarter over time, instead of forgetting everything the moment one conversation ends. Knowledge compounds like a real team. For risky or messy jobs, he spins up sandboxes, throwaway spaces where AI can experiment freely, do the dirty work, and then get discarded without harming anything. Long tasks eventually hit a wall he calls context collapse, where the AI loses the thread and its understanding of the job quietly falls apart midway. His advice is counterintuitive but firm: don't waste time trying to rescue a broken session. Roll back decisively and open a fresh conversation from a clean state. It feels wasteful to throw away progress, yet wrestling a confused context usually costs far more. A clean restart is almost always the faster, calmer path forward. On his platform oneman.ai, more than 40 different agent roles run together, each handling a slice of the business like members of a real department. The speed is staggering. He claims roughly 5 to 8 minutes of AI time can accomplish what a human would spread across a full 24-hour workday. Every agent runs the same loop again and again: listen, think, speak, act, and then correct itself. That tight cycle is what keeps the whole system moving. To make it concrete, he ran a live demo, asking the AI to plan a path toward a YouTube channel with 1 million subscribers, starting from scratch. In just minutes, the AI produced a detailed 90-day publishing schedule, a list of 60 video topics, and even a 3-year revenue forecast for the channel. Watching a strategy that would take a human team weeks appear in moments makes the promise feel real. This is coordination, not just answering questions. He's honest that the hardest part isn't technical at all, it's trust. Handing real decisions to an AI feels uncomfortable, and that hesitation is completely natural. Trust, he says, is built the same way it is with people, through clear written instructions and time. Give the AI good documents, then let it prove itself. So he recommends starting small. Delegate one low-stakes task, watch how the AI handles it, and slowly widen its responsibilities as your confidence in the system grows. His closing point is about timing. Whoever adopts this way of working first builds a head start that becomes harder and harder for others to catch up to. And you don't need to be a coder to begin. Hand the AI one small task today, practice coordinating it, and let your own reins grow from there. That first step matters more than any tool. The original talk is linked in the description, so go and watch the full thing, and see you next time.